Hey everyone, this is Judi with JLBCrafts. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, thank you so much for giving me a try. In today's video, I wanted to show you my system that I came up with for washi tape organization. So as you could see in the intro picture, I have a lot of washi tape. I have it in drawers that are meant for cosmetics or sunglasses. They're the perfect shape for those. And I don't do this with every roll of washi tape, just the ones that are super similar. So I recently did an unboxing of Girl Boss Anna. She does overlay tapes. I will link that in the cards up above, but I'm a little bit obsessive, and my collection is continuing to grow. And one of the things I've discovered with these tapes, well, I've always known that washi tapes look different on the roll than they do on white or black paper. So this is one of my drawers. You can see them in the pictures, but these washi tape, these overlay tapes, swishies as I call them, they're so gorgeous, but they do tend to be a little bit similar. So on the roll, these happen to be in order, so it's kind of easy to tell which one is which. But if I decide I want this color, say, over this color, how do I tell? They're so similar. How do I tell which one is which? That's what I'm going to show you guys. So first of all, this is my washi tape swatch book. This is the second one. Not that the first one got super full, but I do like to leave empty pages. As my collection grows, I want to be able to grow, have space in the book to add to it. So one of the things I like to do is write down, I know this is my Girl Boss Anna section in my washi tape book, and I will make a title page for that. But I like to write down, particularly with ones like the, this is my Simply Gilded Stardust washi tape collection. I like to know what each color is and when I got it. So I ordered this one. This is Midnight Navy Stardust, and I ordered it in August of 2020. Because when this sells out on her website, it comes off the website, and I can't see it anymore. So one of the things I do when I get a new order in is I reconcile it. I make sure I got the right things and everything that I ordered. But then I also come in here and I swatch it and I write down what's what. So for these, they're fairly different. It's pretty easy to tell which one's which. For these though, they're so similar. The other day I was looking for one of the reds to use in my red and white Christmas spread in my dashboard planner, and it was really difficult to tell on the roll which red was which. So what I've come up with is I put them on here and I number them, and then this number goes on a little sticky note, it can be round, it can be square, whatever post-it note, bullet point is paper that you can write on. I have a little 2 inside this one, and now I know that for sure that that's this specific color. So if I decide I won't accidentally grab 3, which again looks pretty similar on the roll, but now I can tell them apart. So there we go. They don't have to stay in the right order in my drawer. If I pull several out for a project and I can't remember exactly what order they were in, that's okay. So I'm gonna go ahead and just run through the process. I have my bullet point book. So this is a book, I've shown this before. This is in my organization video series where I make my own sticker books. So anytime I come to a page in a book that is mostly or all bullet point like stickers, I pull it out and I add it to this book. So I will link that video, how I made this book, in the cards up above. But I came in here and I found these. And here's another little trick for that. When you do pull a page out of a sticker book, write down the name of the sticker book that it came out of. So this page came out of Baby Boy, and this page came out of Baby Girl. They came out quite some time ago, but these are the ones I happen to be using. So the other nice thing about this organization method is these happen to be in order because I just started setting up the collection. But if I get if I'm running out of space and I want to squeeze 1 or 2 in here, it's fine if that's like number 27 and 28. It still gives me the key that I need to go in and find the right washi tape roll. So I did order more of this ink collection, so I'm going to save this space here, and we're going to go ahead and come over here. So the 2 that I have to unbox, if you will, it's this kind of like a combo unboxing too. This is the Moonchild ink collection, and this is the Wildflower ink collection. And as you can see, they're still in the package. It's because I just got them. So I'm going to go ahead and unwrap these. I think I might save that sticker. I can put that on the first page of my washi tape book at the beginning of this section to label the section. Let's actually just go ahead and do that real quick. So I'm going to come to my very, very first page, just like a normal book, like a table of contents. Let's see if we can get this sticker off of here mostly intact. And I can always use tape. This is a washi tape book. There we go. All right, so I'm just going to put this right here. There we go. This is the beginning of my Girl Boss Anna section. And I can come this direction if I need to. Like I said, I can squeeze a couple down in here. But let's go ahead and get started. So I'm gonna start with this, I said, was the Moonchild ink collection. So I'm just gonna take 1 off of each of these. It doesn't need this tape closure. I'm not sure why it's on there, but so I'm gonna make sure I keep these in the right order. There we go. Okay, those are the 4 in the Moonchild collection. And I'm just gonna, whoops, go ahead and keep numbering where I was. Like I said, the numbers don't have to be in order, so. And I chose to use numbers. You don't have to use numbers. You can use whatever you want. So there, I just wrote the same numbers on 4 little Post-it notes. Now 14 was the first one. So I'm just gonna take this off and stick it inside the roll. Oops. Which can be fun. It's interesting trying to get it in there, but once it's in there, I guess I should try, maybe I'll try using some tweezers. Let's try that. There we go. So now I got a 14 inside that roll, so I know for sure that if I want this one, I go and get the roll that has the 14 inside. So I'm going to speed this up while I go ahead and do the rest of them. There we go, 15. Since you are sticking a flat sticker onto a curved surface, make sure and press it down really nice and hard. Okay, and then let's go ahead and note what this collection is. That's really all there is to it. I'm going to go ahead and swatch this one too. This is more of the unboxing section of the video. If you're just wanting to see these swatched out, I think you can still get these on her website, and she was having a this is going to be posted well after Cyber sales are over, Black Friday and all of that, but they may still be available on her website. So, and this is the Wildflower ink collection. These are the 15 millimeter washis, by the way, or overlay tapes, which they do come in a 10 and a 20, I believe. But I like this size because it allows 2 rows of text, and I like to use these in my social media planner. Friction pens will write on these, so I like to use them to record my stats. They're also a good size for covering up the days of the week on a weekly classic size happy planner. So that's another way you can use them, and I have used them a couple times in my videos. So all right, so now I just got to make sure I put the right number inside the right roll. And I am adding these to my washi tape drawer as I go. And this is just black craft foam. This drawer in particular is for cosmetics, and it did not come with dividers, so I just have some craft foam that I cut into strips and put in there. So 19 is the blue one. It helps when your drawer's not completely full. 20 is the yellow. 21 is the kind of peachy red one. There we go. All right, so I am all up to date on my Girl Boss Anna rolls, and as I get more then I will add to my collection. Like I said, I've got a green set coming and a blue set and some beautiful Christmassy ones that have the outline of like a pine bough on them. So anyway, I hope you like this video. I hope it helps you. Like I said, you can, so here would be another great example of washi rolls to do that with. If you have if you have a bunch of similar solid colors, any washi tapes that are hard for you to tell apart, that you get mixed up because they're super similar, would be a good way to utilize this organization system. So I hope you like this video. I hope it helps you stay organized, takes the stress out of your planning routine. If it does, please consider liking and subscribing. Thank you.